Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Mitsubishi MT205D. So this is a nice tractor. This is a workhorse. It's a four-wheel drive, three-cylinder diesel. Nice big tractor. Still category 1. But look at the room. It's so easy to get on and off. Not climbing over any shifters. It's shown with the 4-foot optional J-bar box scraper. Comes with a new loader, joystick controller. Has a 5-foot bucket on it. I know a lot of times people can't get an idea how big or small the tractor is, but if you look at the bucket, it's 5 foot. So if you look across the tractor, this is less, that's probably just under 4 foot wide itself, the rear wheels. Well, in fact, the box scraper is 4 foot and it sticks out over, what, 3-4 inches on the side. So anyhow, give you an idea how big the tractor is. Really nice shape. Again, it's 4-wheel drive, it's been completely serviced, no oil leaks. It's got the original seat on it. It's got high and low and 4 gears. So it's got 8 speeds forward. That's the reverse shifter there. I wonder what this thing was here. It's a handy dandy little toolbox. It's got the on and off 4-wheel drive. Locking differential. It's got a 4-speed PTO. It's got the quick turn 4-wheel drive. So you flip this button up and it makes the 4-wheel drive so you're turning like you're in 2-wheel. I don't know if you ever had a 4-wheel drive pickup truck and you tried what's in 4-wheel drive, turning a sharp turn, it kind of doesn't want to do it. That button changes something where it turns real easy. This has an auto tilt feature on it, which is really nice. That's this right there. Just push a button, you can tilt those arms. So if you wanted to change the angle of your scraper or whatever, you push a button and it changes it without having to adjust anything. Probably about a $3,000 feature on this tractor if you added it separately. Really nice shape. Looks like somebody some time ago painted the hood. It's got the actual color on it, so it was Mitsubishi red, but it's got a few drip marks on it where they were a little sloppy in painting it. Anyhow, let's go ahead and start it up. Yeah, it really sounds nice and smooth. The engine's nice and clean. It's been taken care of. I'll show you this auto tilt here. A little knob I'm going to turn right here. And watch. Tractors without that, you've got to jump off, you've got to get a wrench, adjust that angle on that by just turning the, probably you have to use WD-40 to loosen up your adjustment on it, and then try to turn it. You don't have to do that with this tractor. Nice feature. Anyhow, like I said, it's shown with the optional 4-foot J-bar box scraper. Those are new, which we sell. We have used tillers. It's actually a nice thing to have on that tractor. If you wanted to lift up big boulders and stuff, the loader will do it, except the tractor's going to tilt. So you'd have to have some weight on the back, and that tiller would be the right weight, so you can lift up, you know, probably 1,000 pounds in that bucket. We also have brand new brush hogs, brand new post hole diggers. So if you want to see this tractor, any other tractors that we have, you can go on our website. It's ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.